Pix Peanut and Chocolate Butter Banana Bread. Take banana bread to the next level with Pix Peanut and Chocolate Butter. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then grease a 10 by 20 centimetre loaf pan and line the base and two long sides with baking paper. Place the flour and sugar in a large bowl and stir to combine. In a separate bowl, add buttermilk, eggs and the banana and whisk until well combined. Add the banana mixture to the dry ingredients with the oil and stir to combine. Next, spread 1/3 of the banana mixture over the base of the prepared pan. Top with 1/3 of the Pix Peanut and Chocolate Butter. Continue layering with the remaining banana mixture and Pix Peanut and Chocolate Butter. Then take a round bladed knife and marble the batter and sprinkle with chopped chips to finish. Pop in the oven and bake for 1 hour or until a skewer inserted in the centre comes out clean. Set the bread aside in the pan for 5 minutes to cool slightly before transferring to a wire rack. Serve warm or at room temperature with extra Pix Peanut and Chocolate Butter. Give classic banana bread a delicious choc peanut twist with Pix Peanut and Chocolate Butter.